Welcome back to Love Vegan, and this week we'll be making a coconut curried tofu. The ingredients this week will be tofu, a little coconut milk, some red curry paste, red pepper and green beans. So simply add a little oil to the pan, medium heat, and then fry your tofu for a few minutes, just so it's golden brown on one side. It's up to you how crispy you like it. Once it's been fried for a couple of minutes on one side, just flip it over. And then after frying both sides, or if you like us, we just like to crisp up a little bit of all of the sides. Once the tofu is done, we're going to take it out of the pan and pop it on a plate. Add your red curry paste to the pan and then just lightly fry until the aromas are released. So once your curry paste is ready, we can add coconut milk. And then just dissolve all the curry paste into the coconut milk. And as soon as that's done, you can add a little water. We've just rinsed the coconut milk can out here with some water. Then add your green beans and your red peppers. And cook everything down for a few minutes until the veg is half cooked. Add a little palm sugar and then just melt this into the curry paste. Once everything is cooked, you can add some optional basil leaves. And then we're ready to plate up. So we're going to add one piece of our tofu to the plate. And then we're going to coat the tofu in our curry and veg. We just added a few extra chilies because we like it spicy. These are entirely optional. And then we've just decorated with some edible flowers that we grew in the garden. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Coconut curry tofu and veggies ready in just a few minutes. It's an excellent vegan lunch. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week on Love Vegan.